Today see about how to kids learning M letter English words following by money. Money. M-O-N-E-Y. Money. Moon. Moon. M-O-O-N. Moon. Milk. Milk. M-I-L-K. Milk. Map. Map. M-A-P. Map. Mirror. Mirror. M-I-R-R-O-R. Mirror. Medal. Medal. M-E-D-A-L. Medal. Mouth. Mouth. M-O-U-T-H. Mouth. Morning. Morning. M-O-R-N-I-N-G. Morning. Meat. Meat. M-E-A-T. Meat. Mint. Mint. M-I-N-T. Mint. Mug. Mug. M-U-G. Mug. Music. Music. M-U-S-I-C. Music. Mango. Mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Monkey. Monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. Mushroom. Mushroom. M-A-S-H-R-O-O-M. Mushroom. Mother. Mother. M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother. Mouse. Mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. Mutton. Mutton. M-U-T-T-O-N. Mutton. Mask. Mask. M-A-S-K. Mask. Month. Month. M-O-N-T-H. Month. This is the kids daily using M letter English words. Thanks for the watching video. This video you like, share, comment, then subscribe our channel.